Behind me is a 138 VIN true 68 SS big block car. It's got a 396, it's 3¼ horse with all the factory options. Talking about 4-season air conditioning, power disc brakes, power steering. It's got a console shift turbo 400, and it pounds the ground pretty good with a brand new exhaust system. Come along as we take a in-depth tour of this new arrival. We're gonna dive right in. This car is gorgeous. Dig the 68s. Beautiful hoods, nice striping on these. The lower halves of the car are done in black. Got a nice SS grille. Badging in here looks original. However, the finish on this chrome bumper looks to be redone. Little bumperettes, factory hood release right in here. This is a numbers matching 396, the original motor. This is the original trans. She even boasts the original factory rear axle. This is a 2-owner car out of the South, and it looks and shows very well. Air's blowing cold. We'll show you that function later. Dual master with the power brakes, like I mentioned. Factory power steering. Look at this factory power steering reservoir. You don't see those too often still. So you got a little trans cooler mounted in front of the AC condenser. And we got a nice big radiator for this big block. Nice and clean. We got the original trim tag up on the cowl, which looks nice. Has a good polish on the paint. And the underside of this hood too, I'll lift this up a little bit more. All the sound insulation looks great. Nice glossy red paint. I like it. Seals up good, gaps are really good. Let's keep moving down. Side marker light with the SS 396 on it. We got some 15-inch rallies, some beautiful caps. Those have a nice luster to them. We're riding on 235/60 15-inch BFG radial TA tires. Good door gaps, nice glossy paint, good chrome on the mirror. Out back, sporting a little bit more tire, this time at 275/60. Helping this thing put that power down. Sweet looking stainless oval exhaust. Beautiful chrome on the bumper. Tail panels all present. Tail light lenses, nothing's cracked. Everything's working, looking good. All right, smooth action on the lock. Full size spare with the jack. Everything done in the splatter, the aqua splatter paint. Nice seal, cool original sticker. Good finish everywhere. Look at the lips on here, very nice. Show you how this closes. Nice and easy, no persuasion needed. Side of this car, really high quality paint, nice and straight, gorgeous lines, good gaps. Let's check out the interior. Ooh-wee, in the red with the red guts. Very sharp. Good looking door cards. We got crank quarter windows and of course crank windows as well. Nice bucket seats, full console. Looks like we have the original steering wheel in here, and I believe that because there's some cracking around it. It's got nice horn buttons, a little miniature SS 396 badge, all cute in the middle. Speedo runs out to 120 miles an hour. This thing shows 65,900 miles. I can't put it in stone, but I think you could make a convincing case that those are likely original to this car and its body, even though it's been all redone. Barrel tack, those are sweet. And then over here we got a clock. And then gauges, not just the warning lights, gauges for coolant temp, voltmeter, fuel of course, and then an oil pressure gauge. Got an Alpine head unit in the middle. AC controls right where we like them. Nice dash pad, nice trim on this steel dash. Clean, simple glove compartment. Let's see what we got here. Clean, simple center console. Seat backs are in great shape. We've got 4 floor mats, one for everybody. I like it. Nice looking seat cover, and our cards look good. Got little ashtrays. Headliner all good and tight. There is a little bit of wear in this package tray. Looks like this carpet has taken a little bit of a beating from the sun. And ain't nothing major. And we've got a couple of nice new speakers to go with that Alpine head unit. Window regulator is smooth. Power steering is smooth. Seats, comfortable, check. Big block still thumping away. Yeah, baby. Stop's good too. We just shifted into second, you hardly felt it. That is third. We're doing 40. Gauge is working. All right. It feels like 100 today, but it's probably 75. Coolant temp right in the middle. We got some more things to play with in here. Oh, we gotta turn this on. Thank goodness. Air is nice and chill. Even with that compressor hit on, this thing's still idling well. So blower motor has got 2 speeds. Oh, 3. Yeah, she's still there. Cool. Taking off. This car rolls down the road nice. Feels just how it's supposed to. Drives like it should. Smooth, well-oiled car. Coming in turn number 1. This SS should have some extra sway bars underneath it, keeping the body firm, and it feels that way. Very nice. And no clunks or bangs. You know, it's not like when we loaded that front spring up, it came making metal on metal contact anywhere. All speakers are working and it sounds very good. Turning her the other way now. Very nice, very nice. Got our fellow hot rodding brother out here. Flared up Stinger, that's pretty cool. Woo! If you want to know anything more about this car, you can ring us up at any time. We'll put the number and email down below, but it's 248-714-2110 or inquiry at LaFontaineClassicCars.com. While you're down there clicking, if you like this video, hit like. We got a big red button. You can smack the hell out of that. If you click it, these videos of our new arrivals will just pop up and appear for you. It's a real nice thing. And this is one of those. This is going to be on the site. We'll put a link down below for you with everything you need. Pictures high and low underneath it, all the way around it. It's just a really nice, good Southern car. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next clip.